Is it possible that a fruit sitting in your kitchen right now has the power to kill cancer cells? You might be wondering, how can a plant which doesn't get cancer itself hold the antidote to treat it? And more importantly, doesn't cancer feed on sugar? And fruit is loaded with sugar. In this video, I'm not just going to reveal 7 fruits that are lethal to cancer, but I'm going to answer that confusing sugar mystery and share a scientific secret that pharmaceutical companies don't want to focus on. Fruit number 6 and number 7 specifically will completely change your concept of food. Let's get started. Number 1, berries. But not just any berries. I'm talking specifically about blueberries and blackberries. Why are they the strongest? The secret lies in a compound called anthocyanins. This substance doesn't just stop cancer growth, it performs a double duty. It feeds your first line of defense, your gut microbes. Remember, 80% of your immune system lives in your gut. So imagine a medicine with 0 side effects. That's berries. Number 2, citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, and grapefruits. It goes way beyond vitamin C here. These fruits are factories for flavonoid compounds. What's their job? Think of them as a high-level cleaning crew inside your liver, converting toxic carcinogens into harmless particles. A quick tip: a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon daily could be your fortress against digestive system cancers. Number 3, pomegranates. This fruit contains a secret weapon called ellagic acid. Cancer at its start is just a normal cell whose DNA got damaged. Pomegranate acts like a bodyguard for your DNA, preventing this damage before it turns into a disaster. It hits the problem right at the root. Number 4, grapes. And the secret here is resveratrol. This isn't just an anti-cancer agent, it's an elixir for slowing down aging. How does it work? It essentially armors your cells against stress and tension, making it incredibly difficult for disease to break through. Number 5, and a surprise for many, tomatoes. Yes, it is a fruit. Its weapon is lycopene. But pay attention, to get the maximum benefit, don't just eat them raw. Cook them. Heat doubles the power of lycopene. Cooked tomatoes are a neglected treasure. Number 6, and here we get to the heavy hitters, avocados. Besides containing glutathione, the most powerful antioxidant known to man, avocados possess a very unique ability. They target cancer stem cells. Most treatments kill the tumor but leave the roots. Avocados go straight for those dormant roots that haven't turned yet and neutralize them. Finally, number 7, olives. Olives contain compounds that force the cancer cell to do something amazing called apoptosis. Simply put, these compounds order the sick cell to commit suicide to protect the rest of the body. The olive isn't just food. It's a smart biological shield. Now, back to the most important question. How do plants kill cancer, and what about the sugar? These plants develop these killer compounds to defend themselves against insects and viruses because they can't run away. When we eat them, that defensive power transfers to us. As for the sugar, God created fruit with a divine balance. The fiber and phytonutrients inside act as brakes, preventing the sugar from feeding the cancer the way processed sweets do. Eating a whole fruit is nothing like eating a chocolate bar. Unfortunately, modern medicine focuses on poisoning the cancer with chemical drugs, ignoring the fact that food is the real medicine, free from destructive side effects.